Hello YouTube. Hello YouTube. People were saying that PS4 used to make large fan noises, very loud ones. Yeah, mine did too. So that's why I changed the paste in mine, and I got myself a cooling pad for at the bottom. As you can see there, I showed you. As now I'm gonna put Killzone Shadow Falling. Once the game starts up, you do get that fan noise. I'll let you guys listen to it. What I've noticed since I've changed the pace, the fan noise isn't that loud anymore that it used to be. Now it's gone quiet. And like I said, I've got a cooling pad for it as well at the bottom. Been playing Killzone Shadow for 4 hours now. The fan just stays like this, dead quiet now. Normally when you put in a game, the PS4 fan normally speeds up, but then it slows down. That's what mine just did, and now it stays this quiet. As you can see, the game's in there, playing Killzone Shadow 4. Still quiet. Back of the fan that was. You can hear it. As you can see, I'm playing a bit of Killzone Shadow 4. Been playing for 4 hours now. Thanks for watching.